Hi everybody, in this video I will give you some tips on how to master a language. Mastering a language requires time, dedication and consistent effort. Set clear goals, create a study plan, immerse yourself in the language by watching movies, listening to music and reading. Start with the basics to build a strong foundation. Practice speaking with native speakers. Listen to native speakers, mimic their pronunciation, gradually progress to more complex texts, and practice writing regularly. Utilize language learning apps and resources. Stay motivated and find language learning partners. Remember to be patient and enjoy the process, as language mastery takes time. With persistent efforts and positive mindsets, you'll make remarkable progress in mastering the language. At the end of the video, I remind you, if you have any questions, write them in the comments and don't forget to click like, share and subscribe to watch all my videos. You will find my 2 channels and TikTok links below the video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.